Why am I on here?
Oh, there I am. I couldn't find myself.
Talk about something fun.
We went to Champs tonight and Cameron got sick, which wasn't fun.
Look
Poor
at this when you
Cameron.
talk so seriously.
Hello.
There you go.
Why don't you videotape you guys?
Some
Oh,
little
love it,
stalker
love it.
6th graders was stalking us today, and I was like, "Rah!"
Oh, look at my feetsies in the background. Feetsies, feetsies.
Yeah, mine's the one's moving. My hair.
I have
is
ugly
my-
feet.
You two have really long, skinny feet.
Your toes
Get
are
it
so
in the
long.
front seat,
Chilling in the
back seat. What?
Gotta make my mind up. To see, do what I do.
Everybody has weird feet.
It's very cute, like when you say, ow, ow. It's not. Is it?
I thought.
What? Cameron's like, ow, ow. Hey, Cameron.
Back in the fridge, back in the fridge, put it back in the fridge, back in the
What?
I was with Cameron, we were talking about eggs, and then I'm like, put it back in the fridge. Then we go, back in the fridge, back in the fridge, put it back in the fridge.
What?
That's funny. I think it's getting hot.
Rebecca just smelled her laptop.
Picky, picky. Just kidding.
What do you have in your hand? Oh, a wrapper.
Why do you always say taco?
Today in the world, the topic. Wait, why is it dark?
Stop.
Wake it up.
I want to show you something.